What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike Shaw. And like I said in the last vlog, don't look at my hair. But I'm out to eat. I have my little sister with me. And we about to figure out. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This place is a little different. You think it's different? You think?
Yeah, different bananas.
We're up for different. We're up for different. On the grill.
And it stays moist. It doesn't get dry.
Don't get dry.
No, and it's free range. That's
You got
why
a free range chicken that you cook in the
don't
sous
see
vide.
the breast is bigger than your breast.
Okay.
So you're eating good chicken.
Okay.
And steaks, of course. Oh, salmon is really popular.
Yeah, because you said it's fresh, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. I think we got some stuff to think about.
How about this? Yeah, and we'll make a half a slab of ribs on the side with one of the entrees. This way you can try them too.
Okay. Are they beef ribs or pork ribs?
Pork,
Okay.
baby back.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm going to, for dinner, I want to try the porterhouse.
Yeah, that's a wonderful choice.
Yeah, the porterhouse and then the salmon over rice. Yeah, the porterhouse and the salmon over rice. I think you said the chicken? You want to try the chicken? The chicken.
She will try everything.
Is that the salmon?
Yep.
That salmon looks good. That look good, y'all. That looks real good.
Yes.
Let's get the stuffed mushrooms and the what is that?
Shrimp cocktail.
Oh, the shrimp cocktail. Yep.
You want calamari?
Yeah, and I try the calamari too. That'll be all.
We do it in a different kind of sauce. We don't do it with marinara. We do it
Okay.
with sesame ginger.
Okay. I'll get that started. Okay. Thank you. All right, they got the appetizers out. We got some calamari and we got a shrimp cocktail. I don't know how Stink feeling because sometimes she likes seafood, sometimes she don't. So we just gonna see what she wanna get. But we definitely about to eat this. I don't know. I be feeling like when I go to certain places and my hair's not done, I just don't even want to go. Get my little shrimp cocktail for the fancy horse. Put a little lemon on that thing. Pinkies up, toes down. Why you don't want to be? But hey, y'all, we back. So look, we got the homemade bread. This is made in house. Now, if you don't know better, Texas Roadhouse has the best cinnamon butter, but they make this in house too. Stink said this could be better than Texas Roadhouse. What you think?
Yeah.
Is up there?
Hands down.
She said the buns is warm. Now the salads, you can get. Hold on. Damn, that shit just melting. But nah, so the salads, you can get a big bowl of family salad and you can get it however you want. So if you want a Caesar salad, you can get that, whatever you want. Now, y'all seen the mushrooms earlier. The mushrooms is gone, okay? The mushrooms is gone. Homemade butter and bread. That shit just melt. It's just melting. It's like, it just melt because it's melting because it's just so soft and warm and fluffy. I don't know. I'll put this on some French toast or something. This is so good. This bread tastes good. This is a winner right now. Okay, y'all. We got the porterhouse steak. I forgot what they call this, but we're gonna give it to Buttons. I totally forgot what they call this. We're probably gonna get this to Buttons. We got some broccoli, we got some applesauce. I want some caramelized onions for mine. With this salmon, hopefully this salmon good. If it's good, I'm gonna give it to my mama. If it's not good, I'm probably still gonna eat it because it look good. I think it's good. What y'all think in the comments below? I don't look right. My hair's not good. We trying to get out the hood. We trying to get out the hood on YouTube, and you're not helping. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment.
Thank you. All right, y'all. We about to eat this porterhouse steak. Let's see what this shit here for. We gotta see what the porterhouse steak here though. Start with the potatoes. They're homemade, but they're missing a little salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Let's cut it to the steak. This shit buzzing.
Anything else? Any ranch or anything?
That's a nice steak. Ain't bad.
Just waiting for those rolls to come out of the oven.
Thank you so much. Put a little onion on there for you guys. I'm gonna try a little onion. Okay, that bit hitting. What that? That's like steaking. Pretty juicy too. Yeah. It's not the food. It's not the food. Yeah, I can say it's not the food, y'all, why they ain't got no business here. Customer service is pretty good too. They let you sit down and get your charger and plug it up before you got here, right? Some broccoli. Not bad. A little soggy on the broccoli. But this porterhouse, it was really good. Have more of an appetite. Alright, let's try the salmon. Oh yeah, we're trying the salmon. The salmon for the TikTok. Okay. So it's not smoky. I mean, well, it is kind of smoky, but it's not dry at all. Like it got a lot of moisture in there. You know how some people find it to be dry? I feel like mommy, I like it. I don't know. Probably not. She picky. Is that like a butter sauce or something? Definitely not. Yeah. Probably like a fry or something. That's what I'm saying. Like, what is that? It's a glaze? It's kind of different. I'm gonna hit it with the salmon. I'm gonna put it on the salmon, y'all. That definitely enhanced the flavor. It's not bad. You got some on your jacket. Definitely took it up a notch. That's really good. With this watered down lemonade. We back to the first batch, I see. Who brought these? The one girl or the other girl? The young girl? The young girl keep bringing us the bad lemonade. Yeah. Y'all, we done found a place that Kyla like more than one thing. This is crazy. You said 8 out of 10?
9.5.
Oh God, her first 9.5. Kyla said 9.5, y'all. Yeah, it's good though. It's like this salmon. Like you can put this over the Caesar salad. This will be real good. But
What are we talking about right now?
this girl don't eat nothing. She don't eat nothing.
This? Okay.
That's wild.
Beurre
Beurre
Blanc.
Blanc. Beurre Blanc sauce. Okay. She likes it a lot.
It's pretty good,
It's pretty good. It is pretty good.
especially on the rice.
She likes it a lot. No. I'm just surprised she ate all her food. It's like this is the first time she don't like nothing.
Really?
She doesn't like nothing.
Did you like it?
She's very picky.
I gave it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, she went from the 10.
Like 9 out of 10?
She said she went from. You said
Every time I take a bite, I think it get better.
she said a 10 out of 10. That's wild. That's a what? This girl Kyla finished her plate. You must be hungry.
I ain't eat nothing all day.
That's wild.
But this, 10 out of 10.
I got a creme brulee. It's top tier, okay? Top tier, baby. Okay, nice and creamy. Perfection. Look at that. If you know, you know, okay? If you don't, you don't. Her mama live there? Oh, her grandma live. This shit, blessing. It went right into the other spoon, y'all. Shit. This one.
You done recording?
No, this one. Yeah, this shit busting. Overall experience is at 8. Kyla's experience is a 10 out of 10. Mine is a Make sure he ain't rolling up on. Mine is an 8 out of 10.